A CEO with tens of millions in funding just realized he forgot to hire literally anyone to build the thing. This is AI Wire Daily. The former Allbirds CEO landed a massive seed round for his new AI startup, but shows up to pitch meetings as a solo founder with no team. That's not scrappy, that's a red flag wrapped in VC euphemism. Funding without execution is just a countdown timer. What matters here isn't the money, it's that he apparently thought capital was the hard part. Spoiler, it's not. Building a company requires actual humans who know how to ship code. And right now, he's got himself and a spreadsheet of his ambitions. HBO Max just rolled out AI advertising that watches what you're watching instead of watching you. Contextual ads target based on content, not behavioral data harvesting. Sounds progressive until you realize they're still profiling your taste through what you consume. The real play here is sidestepping privacy regulation while keeping ad targeting sharp enough to make money. It's the theatrical version of "we care about privacy" while doing basically the same thing with better PR. SK Telecom was the real reason behind the Fable 5 controversy that's been quietly reshaping AI regulations across Asia. The trigger wasn't what we thought it was. This reveals how corporate pressure moves policy in the shadows while everyone argues about the official story. The real power isn't in governments or tech companies alone. It's whoever can convince them to act first. China's integrating AI into classrooms at scale, training students on high-tech tools instead of waiting for them to catch up later. This is education as infrastructure for competitive advantage. America debates whether AI should be in schools, while China's already 2 years into their deployment strategy. By the time Western institutions decide what policy should be, they'll be playing catch-up against a generation that grew up with AI as a classroom tool. Anthropic opened a Seoul office with a promise to restore operations in days. The company's betting Asia matters more than ever. Establishing presence in multiple regions used to be about redundancy. Now, it's about being where the real talent and capital are concentrating. Tech power isn't centralizing in Silicon Valley anymore, and every major AI lab knows it. That's the AI News. Subscribe. This stuff moves fast.